In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a website link to your LinkedIn profile. Adding a website to your LinkedIn profile is a simple but useful way to make your profile more complete and professional. Whether you want to direct people to your personal site, company page, blog, or portfolio, this small update can help recruiters, clients, or professional connections learn more about you beyond what is listed on your profile. To get started, go to your LinkedIn homepage and look at the top of the screen. From there, click on your profile picture or the Me icon. This will open the account menu where you can access your profile and account settings. Next, select View Profile. This takes you to your public-facing LinkedIn profile, where you can see the main sections that other people also see when they visit your page. Once you are there, focus on your introduction section near the top. This is the area that includes your headline and summary details. In that introduction section, click the Edit icon, which looks like a pencil. This opens a pop-up window where you can update key profile information. Inside that window, scroll down until you see the option labeled Edit Contact Info and click it. This is where LinkedIn stores important contact-related details, including your website links. Now scroll down to the Websites section. When you find it, click Add Website. You will then see a field where you can enter your link. Paste or type your website URL into the website URL field carefully. It is a good idea to double-check the address before saving, so visitors are taken to the correct page without any issues. After entering the link, choose the most appropriate website type or category from the drop-down menu. Depending on your needs, this might be something like personal, company, blog, or portfolio. Picking the right category gives visitors a little more context about what they should expect when they click the link. Once everything looks correct, click Save. Your website link will now be added to your LinkedIn contact information. As a quick tip, make sure the website you add is relevant to your professional goals and up to date. A clean working link can make a strong impression and give people an easy way to learn more about your work. That's it. You've successfully added a website link to your LinkedIn profile.